Hello, law seekers. Let's get right to it, because as of today, September 20, 2025, we are on the precipice of a monumental change to the US immigration system. Yesterday, the US president signed an executive order which will seriously impact the H1B visa program. This order slaps a brand new heavy $100,000 annual fee on H1B visa applications. Yes, you heard that right, $100,000. That's not a typo. It's a policy designed to be a brick wall, and it goes into effect at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight on September 2025, tomorrow. That is, for those of you frantically checking your watches, mere hours from now. This isn't just a minor tweak to a government form or a slight increase in processing costs. This is a seismic shift, an economic earthquake aimed directly at the heart of how America attracts skilled talent from around the globe. The proclamation, which you can find on the White House website if you want to read the formal document, is set to last for 12 months. After that, it might be extended, or it might not. The stated goal is to protect American workers, but there is no denying the immediate effect. The door is being slammed on foreign skilled people, not only on illegals and the undocumented. So what does this actually mean? It means that any US company wanting to hire a foreign national for a specialized job via the H1B visa program will suddenly face a six-figure fee on top of all the other costs. Now, some of you might be hearing H1B and thinking, is that a new Star Wars droid? And wondering what it really is. So let's break it down. The H1B visa program is essentially America's primary tool for hiring foreign professionals to work in what are called specialty occupations. These typically require a bachelor's degree or equivalent. Think software engineers, doctors, architects, scientists, university professors. It's the mechanism US employers use when they can't find enough qualified American workers, which, yes, does happen quite often. A foreign individual can't apply on his or her own. That person needs a US employer sponsor. The employer must file a petition proving the role is a specialty occupation and the worker is qualified. Any legal, tax-compliant company can be a H1B petitioner. And yes, your own company can be a petitioner sponsor. This involves a mountain of paperwork, a whole lot of legal fees, and a lottery system, because demand far exceeds the $85,000 annual cap. It's already difficult, expensive, and uncertain, like trying to win the lottery. Except the prize is the right to work in the USA. The program anchors key industries, especially tech. Big sponsors include Amazon, Microsoft, Google, bringing engineers, data scientists, and developers every year. But not just big tech. Rural hospitals hire doctors through H1B to serve underserved areas. Universities use it to attract top researchers and professors. It's a vital talent pipeline. It's not a simple loophole for cheap labor. Alright, let's get into the painful specifics of this new rule. The program is being turned on its head. The executive order states that the $100,000 fee applies to new H1B visa applications. Crucially, the fee is levied on the employer, not the employee. But a cost this high will force a US company to consider whether it is worth it to even sponsor a worker. The fee is due annually, every year. It's a recurring financial bludgeon for as long as the employee is on the visa. The clock starts ticking tomorrow, September 21st, 2025, 12:01 a.m. EDT. The impact will not be evenly distributed. The hardest hit, small and medium-sized businesses and startups. Big tech may absorb some costs, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta. But what about a promising tech startup in Ohio, or a rural hospital in Montana trying to hire a cardiologist from India? For them, $100,000 is a death sentence for that position. This policy effectively reserves foreign talent for corporate Goliaths. Let's talk about the people, workers most affected. High-demand STEM fields, software engineers from India, software engineers from China, healthcare professionals, doctors in less populated areas. This fee could worsen doctor shortages in rural places. This will affect teachers and university researchers. Essentially, anyone we've historically sought from abroad now has a six-figure price tag. So, we are in a full-blown government-sanctioned fire drill. What on earth are you supposed to do? First, let's be crystal clear about something. I am a lawyer providing the immigration news as it stands on the facts. The information provided here is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. You absolutely must consult with a qualified immigration attorney to get advice tailored to your specific circumstances. For those directly affected, particularly H1B holders currently outside the US, The advice from legal professionals is urgent. Try to enter the United States before the September 21st deadline. That means getting on a plane and passing through immigration and customs before 12:01 a.m. EDT. For many, this will be impossible. But for those who can, it is the most direct path to avoiding uncertainty in the impact of this order. If you cannot make it in time, stay in close contact with your employer and your immigration lawyer. If you are a H1B visa holder in the US, definitely avoid overseas trips until there is more clarity on how the new rule will unfold in practice. The law seeker will be monitoring the situation and will provide guidance as it becomes available. Do not panic, but do act with urgency. The legal community widely expects this executive order to be challenged in court. Litigation is almost certain. These kinds of broad, sweeping proclamations often face legal hurdles. For now, it is what it is. Stay with this channel for updates and like content, and do not forget to like and subscribe. For attorney legal assistance with US immigration cases, you may contact info@taylorwrightco.com.